Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online with eBay. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. Also, I'm going to throw in a little bit of mindset and things about the subconscious mind along the way. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're going to talk about how to make money online with eBay, specifically drop shipping with little or no money. Before we talk about that, if you're not sure what drop shipping is, I just wanted to explain that to you. It's basically a fulfillment method where you don't keep the products that you sell. And when you sell a product, you purchase it from a third party and then have it shipped directly to the customer and you keep the profit. And before I did this, I had no idea that you could even do this. It's totally legitimate, totally legal. I mean, there's companies like Wayfair that's their whole business is drop shipping. I know Amazon drop ships. I've experienced Sam's drop shipping with me. So lots of big companies do it, and we're able to do it on eBay. Now, what are the pros of drop shipping? First of all, it's easy to start and easy to do. You don't need to worry about driving traffic because eBay already has traffic. You're just getting in front of that traffic. And I think something that's really great is you can get your whole family involved. Let's say you have teenagers, you can teach them how to find products and list products. Someone in your family can help you fulfill the orders, keep track of inventory, so there's something for everybody to do. Really no technical skills are required and little to no investment. The cons of drop shipping, I think, are that it is very time consuming and you have to keep track of out of stock. So there's software that you can use to do that, but even so, that's not 100%. So you may sell something that's out of stock, and if it's like a one-of-a-kind item, that you'll have to deal with the customer and figuring out how to take care of that problem. And again, you will have to deal with the customer. You'll have to do customer service. Of course, some of these things, as you grow, you can outsource it. At first, you'll have selling limits, so you can only list a certain amount of items. And when you're first starting out, PayPal will hold your money for up to 21 days. So if somebody buys something from you, let's say for $100, you'll have to pay for that, but you may not get your money back from PayPal for 21 days. So you're going to need some upfront money to start, but what I would recommend as you're getting started is just sell small items or maybe items from your home that you already have to build up your account and get through that PayPal hold period, so that when you do sell something, you have that money right away in your PayPal to purchase that item from the third party seller. So let me show you, let me show you my eBay account. Now, I don't do this right now. I'm not going to get into why I don't. It's not that it doesn't work. It's something in my life that happened that I just totally, it had to do with my family, and I had to totally drop everything. And let me just say, there is nothing more important than my daughter's lives. So I had to stop, and I was actually just getting a lot of momentum with my account. You can see I have a good feedback there, but it does work and you can make some good money. It is just very time consuming. I'm going to show you some of the items that I sold. Let me see if I can get, okay, here we go. One thing that sold well was a teeter-totter seesaw. And I used Hay Needle a lot for sourcing, as well as Amazon, because I have Amazon Prime, and you can get a separate Amazon account and use Prime. So you might be wondering, like, don't people get upset when they see that it comes from Amazon or Hey Needle? I've never had anybody be upset. They're always like super excited to get their item, and if it comes from Amazon and it gets there in 2 days, that's good. They love it. So that's not an issue at all. I sold a walker, outdoor garden patio deck pools. Oh, fireball. It was a fireball. You can sell furniture from Walmart, like lawn furniture sells really well, and that you can make a good profit on that. But again, you have to have, as you're getting started, you have to have that money to pay for it up front. So you may not want to list the really expensive items, and you may not have that much room to list. So you're going to have to do some smaller items so you can get your sales going. These are just some other things that I sold. A raised planter bed. Let's see. Let's go to the last page here. Here's one thing, Paula Deen cookware set. We're going to go to Hey Needle because I think I might have sourced it from Hey Needle. Let me see if it's in there. This has been a while. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Paula Deen. Did I spell it wrong again? I did. Sorry about that. I'm not sure why it's not coming up. Let's go to eBay. Because you can see that I have this plugin. It's called Price Blink. You can see where you can source it from. Alright, here it is right here. Paula Deen, this is the one I sold. And if you click on that, you can see up here in Price Blink, let's see if it'll come up, where you can source this from. But I do believe that this is on Wayfair. So Wayfair's a good site, Hey Needle's a good site, Overstock is really good, and Amazon, and those are really the only ones that I used. Let's see if we can find that same one here. Here it is. So, and you want to make sure it's the same item. You don't want to sell something that's different and then send them the wrong thing. So let's see, you can see that this is $89 here, and it's free 2-day shipping. And this, let's see what other people have sold it for. You can go over here to sold items and see sold items and see what people have sold it for. Let's see that. I'm not sure if I can find the exact color, but these are the, here we go. That is the exact same cookware set, you can see right there. And you can click on here to see what they sold it for. And you can see that they sold it for $175. So they made a good profit on that. This is 89, so you can go to the final fee calculator and put in here what it's sold for and what the item costs. It's 89. We're not going to have an eBay store. We're not going to be a top-rated seller. So you can see the eBay fees and the PayPal fees coming out there. So your profit on that would be $63. And so you can see that there's money to be made on eBay dropshipping, and it's a very good way to make extra money from home if you have little to no money to invest and you really don't want to try to figure out online marketing, email marketing, all that kind of stuff, and you're not into recruiting or anything like that. You can just do your own thing with eBay, and I would recommend that you take a good course on it. I'm not going to get into exactly, how to do eBay dropshipping here, but I'm going to leave a link below this video. But a place you can go is called udemy.com, and if you just search in there eBay dropshipping, you'll see that a bunch of courses come up, and they're only like $9.99. Like this one right here, Build a Dropshipping. I was looking at this, it looked like a good one. And you can go in and preview like the first 3 modules, and you can see that it's like rated really, really high, and she shows you 6.5 hours of videos on how to dropship on eBay. So I would recommend, if you are interested in how to make money online with eBay, to go ahead and go to Udemy and get a course and learn it and implement it. It'll definitely be something that can add money to your bank account this year in 2018. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to give you another option of how you can make money online. If you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye now.